Hello and welcome. In today's video we will be reviewing the Enya Nova U Pro. This is a new model of the Enya Nova ukuleles that were so popular, and I still see them everywhere on the internet, so let's get started. If you've ever ordered an Enya Nova, you know that it comes in a really beautiful box, so this one also comes in that same style of box. Now this ukulele currently comes in two colors. It comes in the carbon black and the white. Now because I have the black ukulele, it comes with a matching case, matching strap, matching capo, and Enya has also added in some replacement strings as well. If you ordered an Enya Nova early on, your case does not have the backpack strap, but the cases have been upgraded and this one has a backpack strap and also a side strap or side handle. When you open the ukulele case, you'll see that the instrument fits really snugly inside, and this is the Tenor model. Tenor ukuleles are my favorite size. If you are a follower of the channel, you know that already. This ukulele comes with a few features. We'll talk about the specifications soon, and I'll also do a little playing demonstration so you can hear what the instrument sounds like. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a side-by-side comparison of soprano, concert, and the tenor, this one. Nova ukuleles. I would be so happy to do that. When you open up the case and pull out the ukulele, you get the accessories bag with the accessories mentioned before. This is the Nova U Pro ukulele. The one that I'm showing you here is the black, and we have the tenor size. The top, back and sides, neck, bridge, and saddle are all made of carbon fiber and polycarbonate. This instrument comes with open classic tuning machines, and because it's the Nova U Pro, these are the premium ones. This ukulele has a radius fretboard and a Dario EJ87T string. This ukulele has a satin finish and comes with a nut width of 1.5 inches. The total length of the instrument is 26.5 inches, and the body is 2 inches thick. You also have the option of ordering an Acoustic Plus version, which comes with a pickup. If you're interested in purchasing this instrument, I will add a link down below in the description box. Also, I have all of the specifications and any answers to your questions down there as well. Now, if I haven't answered something in the video, please comment down below and I'll get right back to you. Now let's hear what this instrument sounds like. In the comments below, let me know what you think of your Nova and if you're going to be upgrading to the Nova Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao!